So pennywort is usually a very safe herb to consume, but there's been many people who said that if you are pregnant or if you have known health issues such as a liver problem, then you might want to consult with your doctor before consuming pennywort. Also, if you already have allergies or allergic to some sort of herbs, you might also want to check in with your doctor before you consume pennywort, since pennywort is a herb, type of herb.
So this is a very simple and easy recipe to make for this drink. All you guys will need is some coconut juice, some coconut meat, and some pennywort juice. Alright. Alright, so all we're doing now is taking half of the cup of the coconut juice that we had, and then we're gonna add in the coconut meat, and then we're gonna add the pennywort juice to the rest of the cup, and then we just added in the ice.